Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Let's whip up a pink gin spritz using this beautiful pink gin. Alrighty, first things first, we're gonna do 20 mils of our gin. All of this is gonna be made in our glass, so make sure you've got a big glass. You're gonna check out this big glass while I pop in that 20 mils. Pop that straight in there. All right, followed by 20 mils of our vermouth. Just gonna chuck that in the glass as well. Oh yeah. Awesome. Then we're gonna put 30 mils of Prosecco. Just bubbling away. Oh yeah, right in the glass. Next ingredient is our ice. So we're gonna pop our ice straight in our glass. We're gonna fill that one up with a few lovely chunks of ice. And then we're gonna do 60 mils of our soda. Lovely. All right, grab our lime, give it a slice. Now we want 2 little lime wedges for this. So we've got the 2 here. Lovely. Bring this guy back. Give it a little, little mix. Get all lovely in there. I'm gonna pop in one of these guys. And just for a little hint of citrus. Give it a little spray there. We just want that aromatic hit of lime. Your mum's gonna love you for it. Awesome. Little rose petal. I'm gonna pop one of them just in top of there for mum. And the last little ingredient, rosemary. Just a beautiful little sprig. Now look at that. It's not as pink as I imagined it to be honest, but I think it just looks absolutely pretty and perfect, and you and mum can enjoy this. So cheers to all the mums out there. Love yous.